Okay, guys. So
You'll probably
today,
get bored of your own YouTube account.
Shut
and
up.
Unfollow yourself.
Oh my god, she's just dumb back there, Dumber the elephant. This is my Uncle Shane. Right.
Take me to your leader.
Take me to your lake. Okay, guys. So it's Lexi McDonald, Ebony Mason.
It's Riley.
No, she likes to be called Riley, but no.
Riley.
Okay, well, she's trying to hide her name because she's too shy.
Your mom.
You're fat.
When did you figure that? I just scolded a whole bottle of water. What do you think you're doing?
He's Ebony. Okay, so
I just scolded
no,
one of these.
It's open for God's sake. So I'm gonna chug this all about burping.
You can go. Yeah, what is that?
Okay, I'm gonna find drink it all. I'm not gonna chug
What
it.
are those?
I'm trying not to make me laugh.
What are those? Don't.
Okay, we're gonna redo that.
Damn, feels good to be a gangster. I need more.
It's called a tap.
Do you need a pat on the back? Don't try. I think this is without burping.
Okay, well this challenge is over because I think I keep burping.
Amazing.
Bye bye.
See? The worst.
What the hell? Bye. Bye bye, guys.